Anong gusto mo? Kanta. Sige. Tama lang. Kahit ano. Kahit ano, join. Yes.
Lakas ang music mo, lakasan ang volume mo. Lakas ang music, lakasan ang volume mo.
Ang hina ng net. No?
AG40 lang bro. 80-40. Second mo, 80-40. Ang voice 80. Ang voice 80. Ang music 40. Para ibabaw yung boses. Para nakaibabaw yung boses mo. Yeah. Alright. Okay na. Ha? Hindi. Nakaano ko. Mag-speaker pa lang ako eh. Naka-earphone. Hindi, naka-earphone ako kanina. Nakalamputan yung aso. Kinagat eh. Mag-speaker na lang ako. Lulu.
Believe that I had to give. I'm gonna make it hard to breathe. Saw the tears rolling down her face. Something I never wanted. Breath between her lips, but I'm staring at her teeth. It's the wrong way. If I can, but I'm only man. Take her to the can, it's the wrong way. The only family that she has ever had is 7 holy brothers and her drunk ass dad. He needed money to put her in the street. Here you said, wanna shoot your dad. I'll do anything I can, it's the wrong way. Can try to make it right, believe it, but it's tight. It was the wrong way, not the way I wanna stay. So I ain't here to make ya. Oh no, it's up to you what you really wanna do. Spend some time in America, dub style. Happy tasking everyone. Ako, sinapit agad. Hindi na lang, makakainan na ako ng anak. Give you all that you got to give, and make it hard to live. Happy tasking din, Lods. Hindi lang, free lang po. Ashley, salamat sa tambay. Ahead, alright. Bawal ka pa kumanta. Baka priority natin, ha? Trabaho, siyempre. Ano yung kinanta mo kahapon, Lods?
Tagalog?
Maganda yung kinanta mo kahapon, ha?
Tagalog, Tol?
Ha?
Langit. Slapjack, langit.
Langit, hindi ko pa-practice ko pa yun. Maganda yung kanta mo na. Random lang ako eh. Ito kantayin mo. Hindi mo trip. Rock and roll ka kasi. Heat up, I can't cool down. Got me spinning round and round. Round and round, round it goes. Where it stops, nobody knows. Every time it's goes. I heat up like a burning flame, full of desire. Kiss me, baby, let the fire get higher. I wanna reach out and grab ya, abracadabra, abracadabra. You make me hot, you make me sigh, you make me laugh, you make me cry. Keep me burning for your love, with the touch of your velvet glove. Abracadabra. Welcome sa'yo, pati. Reach out and grab ya. Abracadabra. Abracadabra. And magic in your caress. Feel magic when I touch your dress. Sick and satin, black panties with an angel's face. I see magic in your eyes, hear the magic in your side. Just when I think I'm gonna get away, I hear those words you always say. Abracadabra. I wanna reach out and grab ya. Abracadabra, abracadabra, oh yeah. Every time you call my name, I heat up like a burning flame, burning flame. Oh yeah. Ikaw, sasalang ko dyan. Happy tasking po sa lahat ng mga nandyan, mga exchange supporters, lalo na sa mga kapamilya. Alfred, shoutout sa'yo. Ate Erin, lalo na, matulungin kong kaibigan sa Korea. Enjoy watching lang guys. Yung mga matsatsagang mga nandyan sa taas, alright. Happy tasking po at happy listening sa mga salamat po Dimple. Napakaganda kong kaibigan. London lang. Parang hindi ang lakas na alisin ang iyong maskara. Nakakagulat yun. Kanino ba yung may hangin sa'yo? What the fuck?
Parang kumakain ka lang. Sino nagluto nito?
Lumpong naglalakad, katabi niya'y haring kahubad. Nung nakikinig sa iyak ng pipe, mayroong dilim. Hindi. Alisin ang iyong maskara at idilang kang mga mata. Isipang tangan ay buksan, walang shot mo na! Shot ka ba ba? Welcome po sa bagong pasok. Salay. Ano? Nakatitig na bulan, mga haliging na buwan. Na sumasayaw sa liwanag siya'y ikaw. Pag-iwa ko'y litong-lito, ito'y balat kayo. Ang nakikita'y kabaligtarahan, kala Andre yung ano? Lods, Alfred. Oh, San Andre? Spirito ka ba?
Android. Ayaw magpakilala. Babaero kasi yun eh. May asawa at anak yun, tol.
What the fuck? May asawa at anak ka ba, Lods?
Nangunguto ng mga babae.
Bubudol ka, Lods.
Marites eh, no?
Para lumabas ka. Bebe! Bebe ko.
Yan na.
Pakitin ko
May
nga to si
balita
ano,
lang sa akin.
interview ko.
Ha?
Ano, Lods?
Ano, matay speaker ko eh.
What the
Nalubat, nawawala yung charger ko.
Ikaw, Lods, Alfred.
Ha?
Hindi si Alfred. Ano? Bakit Andrew E?
Android yung Android yung Hilario ko eh.
Walang iya ka. Para kang makapagsalita. Bebe, pwede ka bang ano, paupuin si Alfred? Sige na magdadala ka. Makinig ka lang. Love you. Upuan. Alfred. Papakayatin ko si Alfred. Si Alfred.
Ah, si Alfred.
Ah.
Paupo mo, sige. Andrew yan eh.
Ay, Yam. Shoutout po kay Yam. Alright. Sa maganda nating kaibigan. Alright. Puka, Alfred. At baka tayo magkamag-anak kung tama nga iniisip ko. Alright. Requesting Andrew E. on the floor.
Ba't parang napipikon si Alfred?
Oo nga.
Kung di naman totoo, hindi ka naman dapat mapikon eh.
Shoutout kay Yam. Alright. Pasok.
Oo nga, lalakero nga ako eh. Hindi mo alam. Isa ng lalaki ko si Marcos oh.
Alright. Ayaw? May tatanong lang naman, Lods eh. What the fuck? At ayaw pong tanggapin ng ating Rokawa Emperor, alright. Shoutout sa'yo. Saka pala, Lods. Happy tasking po sa lahat ng mga nandyan. Alright. Shahira. Sinalbahin mo kasi, Lods eh. Ayaw tuloy.
Sorry, joke lang yun.
Ang dali nga buksan ko yung earcan. Ew. Earcan. Kung alam ko lang. Pakita ka daw, ngayon binabalikan ka ngayon.
Wala pa, pangit ako eh. Pasensya na, pangit ako.
Sus, hindi uso yan, Brad.
Oo. Hindi ko lang pakita yung mukha ko. Baka sumikat pa ako.
Ayaw.
Kung hindi paniwala nila, ayun na yun. Paniwala nilang pangit ako. Go.
Ako nga eh. Bakit?
Ayun lang yun.
Pangit naman ako Misis ko lang ang bobola sa akin. Lakasan ko lang daw yung loob ko.
Lakasan mo
Ayun,
lang
nanay.
lalo.
Eh, bahala na kayo.
Ano naman yun
Ganun
eh.
lang yun.
Nasa gusto ko naman ng tao yun eh. Di ba?
Hindi talaga lahat
Karamihan
ng
pa nga sa
tao
mga
perfect.
karamihan pa nga sa mga pangit, yun pa nga yung mga babaero eh.
Tayo, minamin mo na rin sa sarili mo, bro.
Uy, hindi ako
Pinagkano
babaero
ng
ah.
misis. Sabi mo, pangit ka. Eh, di babaero ka nga.
Oo nga.
What the fuck?
Eh,
What the fuck?
pero hindi ako babaero. Kamali sila Ron, lalakero ko eh.
Wish it ka.
Wala yung charger ko.
Mas mabilis daw ngayon yung bagong tuklas. Diretso sa 220.
Mas mabilis daw?
Oo, saglit lang.
Hindi ko alam eh.
Di tatap mo lang.
Huli ako sa Marites.
What the fuck? What the fuck? At sa
Hindi
lahat po
nakahubad
ng
kasi.
mga tatasin
Nakahubad kasi
dyan,
ako bro eh.
tatasin.
Hindi ako nakahubad. Papakita ako ng mukha dyan. Mukha lang naman pala yung papakita, di ba? Ay pwede pala kahit nakahubad, no?
Oo. What the
Mukha
fuck?
lang bago sa nila
What the
makita.
fuck?
Kaya lang baka maban ka eh. Natamad ako makit sa taas eh.
Ikaw naman yun eh. Hindi naman ako eh. Kasi dami ba ako?
Pag nakahubad ako ang mababand.
Siyempre, ikaw naghubad eh. Alangan lang ako. Wala nga ako.
Hindi, ang sabi nila doon sa... Doon, alam mo, ako
I-screenshot
naghubad
ka.
ako. Tapos sa live band mo ako naghubad. Live band, ano ba yun? Nasa live mo ako naghubad. Hindi ka? Kasi madadamay daw yung ano.
Ano?
Nadadamay
Ano
daw
gusto mo?
yun.
May
Halimbawa,
damay
yung
na to.
Damay.
I-screenshot ko lang naman yan eh. Tapos i-end ko yung
Wag. Matagal na ako mag-live eh, di ba?
Ah.
Pagkakit ko sa rooftop, tatalon na lang ako ron.
Buset. Ano ba yung reggae version?
Pakita natin, buka natin mamaya. Parang nga, bubibihis lang ako.
Hello mga utol! Alright! I like this my brand. Hindi ko na alam yung... Simulan natin sa... Ayan, magpapakita na po ang ating lingkod na si Creed. Dinersya niya ng ating isang kapatid. Pili pa tayo ng catalogs. I need somebody who can love me at my worst. Alright. Bakit di ko maamin sa'yo? Tama, meron pala ditong effect. Okay, let's try. 4. Nandito yun. Hirap, can't go down. Got me spinning round and round, round and round. Bakit ka na, bebe? Okay, to start with, binaro kasi neto ni Lodi.
Rick, okay mo? Oh,
Nambasag kasi to si Creed eh. Aga-aga.
bakit?
Kala ko kilala mo yun.
Sino?
Yun.
Namarites lang sa akin yun.
Tapos
May
nandyan
nagbulong lang
pala.
sa akin bubulong.
Hindi mo alam na andyan sa taas.
Oo, hindi ko ano eh. Sabi na pangalan ni Alvin, pangalan nun eh. Nung pag-check ko ng profile, pong kukinina, yun pala si Alfred. Bumisip.
Lakas mo mga last card. Kala ko naman, tropa mo na.
Hindi ko tropa. Marites lang sa akin.
Tapos,
Baka mamaya masabi ko pa kung sino nag-Marites, rinte ka na yan, away-away na.
gagi. Dapat nandamay ka na.
Kaka-counseling sa akin kagabi, hindi ako nag-ingat, no?
Oo.
Kaka-counsel lang sa akin kagabi, di ba? Binripping ako, nalalabas nga yung brief ko eh.
Ako nga, bago ako sumalang, sabi ko, magtatanggal na po ako ng brief.
Di mag-iingat na ako, ayoko na makipag-away.
Hindi, sabi mo, niloloko mo lang siya. No?
Huwag biro lang naman yun eh.
Biro lang yun.
Pero kung tototohanin niya, di totohanin.
Ala,
So wala namang proof eh, di ba?
Oy.
Kwento lang naman ng iba yun eh.
ayan pala.
Kaya lang
oo,
nakipahit,
sinismis ka na.
ang mali ko lang, sorry. Sorry lang sa mali ko.
Binalikan
Naikwento ko
ka na
pa
nga, oh.
Oo.
Eh nun, hoy Beb, ilan na naging jowa mo? Pang ilan na?
Ay, tatanong ko sa nagkwento sa akin.
Akala ko talaga kilala mo, bro, ba?
Hindi, ano nga lang yun, naikwento lang sa akin, tol. Masyado lang ako naging madaldan. Dapat yung sabihin.
Pero sa'yo, tatama yun kasi sa'yo niya narinig.
So,
Miss Suplada, right. Happy tasking po. Heart shine.
patawad na lang niya. Eh, wala namang prueba yun eh, kahit naman naipatid kung saan. Diba? Ang mahalaga doon yung may prueba. Pag may prueba na, yun ang totoo, di ba?
Pangwalo na daw yung beb mo.
Ha?
Bebe mo ba yan? What the fuck?
Wala na yung boyfriend ko, break na kami. UTI na nga ako, di ba? Umasa, tapos iniiwan. Ay, ganda mo nga, bro.
Alin? It's wrong, babe, for a moment in time, and it seems everlasting that you will always be mine. Now you wanna be free, yeah, so I'm letting you fly. You know heart, babe, our love will never die, no. You'll always be a part of me. I'm part of you indefinitely. Girl, don't you know you can't escape me? Ooh, darling, cause you'll always be my baby. And we'll linger on. Time can't erase the feeling that's strong. No way, you're never gonna shake me. Ooh, darling, cause you'll always be my baby. Hindi po. I ain't gonna cry, no, and I won't beg you to stay. If you're determined to leave, girl, I will not stand in your way. And inevitably, you'll be back again. So know in your heart, babe, our love will never end, no. You'll always be a part of me. I'm part of you indefinitely. Girl, don't you know you can't escape me? Ooh, darling, cause you'll always be my baby. And you linger on. Time can't erase the feeling this strong. No way you're never gonna shake me. Ooh, darling, cause you'll always be mine. I know that you'll be back, girl, when your days and your nights get a little bit colder. Oh, I know that you'll be right back, girl. Baby, believe me, it's only a matter of time. always be a part of me. I'm part of you indefinitely. Girl, don't you know you can't escape me? Darling, 'cause you'll always be my baby. And we'll linger around. Time can't erase the feeling this strong. No way, you're never gonna shake me. Ooh, darling, 'cause you'll always be my baby. Be a part of me. I'm part of you, definitely. Girl, don't you know you can't escape me? Darling, you'll always be my baby. You linger around. Time can't erase the feeling this strong. No way, you're never gonna shake me. Darling, 'cause you'll always be my baby. Ikaw pala yung sinasabi nito ni Meldrick eh. Hoy, yung lalaki mo. Pakita ka, sabi mo lang papakita.
Kaya doon, lakad mo na ako doon.
You'll always be a part of me. Bakit pa nagko-continue agad to? No.
Nasa yung earphone ko? Nasa yun?
Ear mo?
Nasa yung... Nasa earphone ko? Nasa yung kain mo kagabi? May isang merado. Ito, di ko may kibutong pagawa na to.
Palamig nga tayo ng mga ulo. Pinainit mo kasi yung ulo eh. Standing by my window, listening for your call. Since I really miss you after all. Yung accompaniment, so, ano ba? Sobra? Time won't let me keep this sad thoughts to myself.
Ba't mahina ba dating sa'yo?
Just like to let you know, I wish I'd never let you go. And I'll always love you. Deep inside this heart of mine, I do love you. And I'll always need you. And if you ever change your mind, I will love you. Shout out po sa mga tao dyan, happy listening, right? Wish you never left me, but love's a mystery. You can break a heart so easily. Salamat po sa nag-share, mga lodi. The days and nights reveal how much I feel for you. Time has come for me to see how much your love has meant to me. And I'll always love you. And if you ever change your mind, I will love you. Time like a river keeps on rolling right on by. Nothing left for for me to do. So I watched the river rise. I put, and I'll always love you. Nasa YouTube ka, tol. Inside this heart of mine, I do love you. Hanapin mo sa taas. And I'll always need you.
Lumabas ako tol eh. Lumabas ako para makakita ko.
And if you ever change your mind, I still, I will. I will. Piki na lang tayo. Love you.
Ayaw ko mag-live.
Rock and roll pala to eh.
Ayaw ko mag-live.
Why like this? Ay, salamat kay Kap Marga on the house. Salamat po ng dami-dami. Salamat po sa support, guys. Alright. Nandiyan pa si Boss Kap. Rock and roll. Ang pagising. Salamat po, kapatid. Bawi ako, kapatid. So lately, been wondering who will be there to take my place when I'm gone. You'll need love to light the shadows on your face. If a great wave shall fall, tasking lang please, fall upon us all. Then between the sand and stone, could you make it on your own? If I could, then I would. Salamat patid. I'll go wherever you will go. Way up high or down low, I'll go wherever you will go. And maybe I'll find out way to make it back someday, to watch you, to guide you through the darkest of your days. If a great wave shall fall and fall upon us all, then I hope there's someone out there who can bring me back to you. If I could, then I would. I'll go wherever you will go. Way up high or down low. You should go wherever you will go. Run away with my heart. Run away with my home. Run away with my love. Salamat po ng dati, Ate Marla. I know now just quite how my life and love might still go on. In your heart, in your mind, I'll stay with you for all the time. If I could, then I would. I'll go wherever you will go. Way up high or down low, I'll go wherever you will go. If I could turn back time, I'll go wherever you will go. If I could make you mine, I'll go wherever you will go. I'll go wherever you will go. Alright. Nasa YouTube tayo, guys. Oy, nakita mo na ba yung live ko hapon? Nasa YouTube ka.
Hindi pa.
Ngayon nakita ka ngayon.
Sa YouTube.
Pangalan.
May tayo dyan.
Yan sinasabi ko.
Tinataguan ako,
Documented lang. Wag! Babaguhin natin ang pangalan. Yeah. Check this out. Hi, babes. Right, na Emperor. On a cobweb afternoon in room full of emptiness by a freeway, I confess I was lost in the pages of a book from the dead, reading how we'll die alone if a good will let to rest. Anyway, we wander in your house alone to be room by room, patiently I wait for you, girl, like a stone. I rain for you, girl. Hello. Ano ba acoustic yung hapon? Yan no, kinanta mo, di ba?
Oo,
On deathbed, I would pray to the gods and the angels like a pagan. To anyone will take me to heaven, to a place I recall. I was there so long ago. The sky was bruised, the one was bled, and there you led me on. In your house, alone to be, room by room, patiently I'll wait for you there, like a stone. I'll wait for you there, alone, alone. Alright. Pasensya na po sa mga nakikinig. Trying hard po ang inyong lingkod. At shoutout po sa ating mga Captain Mitch, Dami sa Pagtataga, Natasa Caustic, alright, Nurbarjan, Cairo, po, Lalan po sa kapatid ko, Secret. In all I read till the day was gone, and I sat in regret of all the things I've done, for all that I've blessed in all year wrong. Black Lady, right teams until my day. I'm no longer wrong in your house, alone to be, room by room, patiently I'll wait for you there, like a stone. I'll wait for you there, alone, alone, yeah. Right, long live.
Long live. Long live.
Alden, I'm here. How are you? Welcome po. At sa Black Lady natin kasama. What the fuck? Dumaan lang.
Black Lady na nag-live ka nga na madaling araw. Madaling araw ba?
Oo, madaling araw lumalabas yung mga Black Lady. Araw lumalabas yung mga Black Lady.
Yan talaga pag makalig mo.
Ang galing mo talaga, Black Lady. Shoutout sa'yo. Kasama ka sa YouTube namin, Black Lady. What the fuck? What the fuck?
Sama ako sa kawawa.
Oo. Titignan ko nga minsan ano eh. Ay, ang baby amin. Bakit naglalag ka, bebe? Kantaan ko muna yung bebe ko, ha?
Oh, tama yan.
Oh, huwag kang alis sa YouTube. Right. Can I call you baby? Can you be my friend? Can you be my lover up until the very end? Let me show you love. Don't pretend. Stick by my side even when the world is caving in. Ooh, don't you worry. I'll be there whenever you want me. I need somebody who can love me at my worst. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. It's only you, nobody you, I put you first. And for you, girl, I swear I do the worst. Sige, Black Lady, yan. Apo. Right. Nag-try lang pala siya, Lods eh. Shadow ko talaga eh.
Nag-try lang. Oh, yung
Stay
mag-try.
forever. Let me hold your hand. I can feel those spaces in your heart no one else can. Let me show you love. Don't pretend. I'll be right here, baby. You know I sink or swim. Ooh, don't you worry. I'll be there whenever you want me. I need somebody who can love me at my worst. Light Emperor. Malaya kasi yung pangalan mo, Light Emperor pala. And you, nobody knew I put you first. And for you, girl, I swear I do the work. Happy tasking light. I need somebody who can love me at my worst. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. 'Cause it's only you, nobody knew I put you first. And for you, girl, I swear I'll do the work. Shut na, puno! Right.
Kaya,
Mamaya.
maaga pa.
Yung nag-tasking tayo dun sa GBA kahapon. Alam ko, rock and roll ka eh.
Sinaway ka agad ako ni MC.
Alam
Huwag
na.
daw ako mag-chat dun sa Huwag daw ako mag-chat dun sa collab group. Sa collab.
Oo nga.
MC.
Shadow.
Pero
Happy
pasalamat
tasking
lang
sa
naman ako
lahat
sa
ng ka-emperor ko. And if you feel na gusto niya ng family guys, just don't hesitate to talk with our admins, okay?
Grupo ng matulungin. Di ba?
Oh. What the fuck? Yeah, tuloy lang po natin ang tasking natin, guys. Alright. What the fuck? At ang VIP 4 ko po ay hanggang VIP 4 lang po. Pinangarap ko lang talaga yung brand. Kahit matalo ako sa PK kahapon, kaliwali. Ayun ang usapan namin ni Mrs. eh. Sabi ko testing ko. Subukan ko lang. Oh. Sa tasking, tasking. Oh. Dark Zone. Alright, si Ate Dark Zone. Shoutout po. Tila ibon kong lumipad, sumabay sa hangin. Ako'y napatingin sa dalagang nababalot ng hiwaga. Mapapansin kaya sa dami ng iyong ginagawa, kung kaagaw ko ang lahat, pag-asa bang makilala ka? Awit na nananawagan, baka sakaling napakikinggan. Ibig na palaisipan, sa kita na lang idaraan. Nag-abang sa langit, sa mga ulap sumisilip. Pagod ng mga tala, suyap lang dana. Ang swerte nga naman hindi lagi kanyang kapiling. Kung ako sa kanya, ligawan na kita. Pitasin guys! Makapansin kaya sa dami ng iyong ginagawa, kung kaagaw ko ang lahat, may pag-asa bang makilala ka? Awit na nananawagan, kasakali na pakikinggan. Pag-ibig na palaisipan, kanta na lang idaraan. Nag-aabang sa langit, mga ulap sumisilip. Hindi ko nalala ito ulit. Ituyang lang dana. Dapat pala maintain na lang ako ng gababa version. Alright. Fantastic guys. Salamat po sa mga kagrupo namin sa GP. Fantastic sa mga bagay. Tumalon kaya ako sa bangin para lang iyong sagipin. Ito ang tanging paraan para mayakap ka. Darating kaya sa dami ng iyong ginagawa, kung kaagaw ko sila, paano na kaya? Nananawagan, baka sakaling napakikinggan. Pag-ibig na palaisipan, sa kanta na lang idaraan. Nagabang sa langit, sa mga ulap sumisilip. Sa likod ng mga tala, kahit suyap lang dana. Nag-abang sa langit, sa mga ulap sumisilip. Sa likod ng mga tala, kahit suyap lang dana. Ah, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Alright. At kasama sila sa YouTube. Alright. Fantastic guys.
I wanna rock right now. I
Oh,
wanna rock.
you wanna rock? PK tayo, right?
I wanna rock right
How
now.
long will I strike? Huwag ka magala, ikaw lagi pa na. Parade my side. I don't believe it's bad. Slit my throat is all I ever. I heard your voice through a photograph. I tore it up and brought it up the past. You know you can never go back. I gotta take it on the other side.
Take it on.
Centuries are what are meant to me. A cemetery where I marry the sea. Stranger thing that could change my mind. I gotta take it on the other side. Take it on the other side. Take it on. Take it on. Come on. How long will I slide? Separate my side. I don't believe it's bad. Slit my throat is all I ever. Put my life into a paper cup. The ashes cold and spilling my gut. You wanna know am I still a slut? I gotta take it on the other side.
Take it on.
Scarlet started and she's in my bed. Candidate for my soulmate bed. Push the trigger and pull the thread. I gotta take it on the other side. Take it on the other side. Take it on. Take it on. Right. How long will I slide? Separate my side. I don't believe it's bad. Slit my throat is all I ever. Right. Salamat po sa pagtsatsaga makinig sa inyong lingkod. Alright.
Salamat sa pagtsatsaga.
Opo.
Kahit ganun pa man.
Turn me for a hard ride. Burn me out, leave me on the other side. Yeah, tell it it's not my friend. I tear it down, and it's born again. Yes. Salamat din po sa ating sita ngayon. How long will I slide? Separate my side. I don't believe it's there. Slit my throat is all I ever. Long slide, separate my side. I don't believe it's bad. Ay, salamat.
Under, ano to? Under the bridge to.
Under the bridge, oh. Ganda yan. Stop. I said stop. Where's the stop? Stop lang po natin. Under the bridge, Red Hot Chili Pepper. Yung ganda kaya ng kanta niyan. Medyo maanghang. Kaya nga Red Hot. Gulo nyo?
Huwag kayong magulo.
Ganda rin. Ba't parang
Baka
wala?
mag-Metallica. Baka mag-Metallica ka ba, bro?
What the fuck? Oo. Kala mo Dapat ngayon ang labanan lahat ng genre hanggat maaari. May pambala ka. Right?
Oo. Tama, bro. You're right, man.
Yeah. Bisit. Ang ganda yung kinanta mo kahapon Parang
Ano ba yun?
pinaparlor
Ano ba
pa Parang nagpa-parlor
Madami
pa
kong Madami kong kinanta, hindi ko na matandaan
Ang dami yung kinanta nga mga isa. What the fuck? Gulo mo pati. Ito. Pwede. Wala sila Kasi kasi, walang S eh. Ano? Ito, other side. Yung na nga, under the bridge. Ano yung, inano mo?
Under the bridge. Red Hot Chili Pepper.
Hot or spicy, sir? What the fuck? Nag-isip pa siya. Give it away now. Parallel universe. Okay. Hindi dito si ano eh. Dapat kung naad mo, nandun sa taas, sa ilalim pa. What the fuck?
Tapos mamaya,
GBA tayo. Ay, hindi pa.
mamaya, Nirvana na ako.
What? Happy tasking guys. Continue lang po. Sige, makikita mo naman yung mukha mo sa YouTube. Rock and roll. Ay, happy tasking, kapatid. Sometimes I feel like I don't have a partner. Sometimes I feel like I'm only a friend. In the city I live in, city of angels. Lonely as I am, let every cry. I drive this because my companion. I walk through tears because she knows who I am. She's got good days when she visits me when they never worry. Now this is life.
Oh, yeah.
Ciao. I don't wanna run to feel like I did that day. Take me to the place I love. Take me all the way. I don't wanna ever feel like I did that day. Take me to the place I love. Take me all the way. Hard to believe that I'm all alone. Lonely as I am, together we cry. Tasking everyone. I don't wanna ever feel like I did that day. Take me to the place I love. Take me all the way. I don't wanna ever feel like I did that day. Take me to the place I love. Take me all the way. salamat.
Alright.
Rock.
Nangyari ako si Ate Rose.
Psychic spies from China try to steal your mind's illusion. Little girl from Sweden dream of silver screen quotation. And if you want this kind of dream, it's Californication. It's the edge of the world and all the Western civilization. The sun may rise when the kiss and laces settle its final location. Sun is still that's Hollywood, that's Californication. Pay your surgeon very well, break the spell of aging. Celebrity skin disease, your chin reads you while you're waiting. First gone unicorn, hardcore support. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication. Ah, yeah. Check this out. Marry me, girl, from the fairy to the world, feel your very own constellation. Then it's Friday, baby, inside, getting high on information. Buy me cup, all about it's Californication. Space may be the final frontier that is made in the heart of the basement. It's curious, piercing sensation. Something right not far away, it's Californication. Ay, ginagawa ko. Buwang.
Gago ako, baka na ako ni Alvin.
One way to know to praise, control of population. Everybody's there and firstborn unicorn, hardcore support. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication.
Oh, yeah.
Ah, yeah. Haba pala nito. Salamat Asking. Happy asking po siya. Ano kita, Lods? May pupuntahan tayong grupo, right?
Alright.
By the way to see the world is Californication. Pay your surgeon very well to break the spell of aging. Sicker than rest of it, no test is way to wash your craving. Firstborn unicorn, hardcore support. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication. Salamat po. Nang dami-dami. Ano pa? Let's go play River Maya. Rico J. Blanco. sa mga umiibig dyan na hindi malaman ang tungo ng direksyon ng relasyon. Right? One-sided love broke the seesaw down. I got to get rough when I hit the ground. You went your way and I went halfway. Girl, you'd understand if your heart was mine. If we had an exchange of hearts, then you know I fell apart. You feel the pain when the memories start. If we had an exchange of hearts. Salamat, Ashlyn. Pinalawak mo ba? I never wish a lonely heart on you. It's not your fault I chose to play the fool. That's it. One day you'll be in my shoes, and your heart will break. You'll feel this way I do. Alright. If we had an exchange of hearts, then you know I fell apart. You'd feel the pain when the memories start. If we had an exchange of hearts. Oh, time turns the table, and soon I'll be able to find a new romance. And if you remember my love warm and tender, it's too late for a second chance. Right. Love you, baby. Love you, asawa ko. At sa mga nagtatasing dyan, love na love ko kayo.
Sana ako pinapasabog.
Huwag ka pa. Salamat, asawa ko. If we had an exchange of hearts, then you know I fell apart. You'd feel the pain when the memories start. If we had an exchange of hearts, if we
I love you too.
had an exchange of hearts.
Ow!
Para sa mga na iniwan ng asawa ng mamahal sa buwan. After you go, I can catch up on my reading. Sige, baby. After you go, I have a lot more to be sleeping. Sige, baby. Then you go, looks like things are gonna be a lot easier. No, I'm feeling peace, you know. I really should be glad, but I'm bluer than blue, sadder than sad. You're the only light this empty room has ever had. Life without you is gonna be bluer than blue. Ilan ba? After you go, I have a lot more room in my closet. After you go, stay out all night long if I feel like it. When you're gone, I can run to the house screaming, and no one will ever hear me. I really should be glad, but I'm bluer than blue, Sadder than sad. You're the only light this empty room has ever had. Life without you is gonna be bluer than I don't have to miss no TV shows. Can start my whole life over. Change the numbers on my telephone. But the night it should be colder and I'm bluer than blue. Sadder than sad. You're the only light this empty room has ever had. Life without you is gonna be bluer than blue. Bluer than blue. Bluer than blue. Aray,
Yan trabaho ni Mayor.
sa'yo ito eh. Mayora? Sa high school.
CNR.
Nya! Sa'yo yun eh.
Twitch High.
Found the love for me. Darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Beautiful. I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. We were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own. And in your eyes, you'll be mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark. You between my arms, barefoot on the grass. Kunwari magsishow, ikaw taga-show. Ready, so when you said you look a mess, I whispered underneath my breath. You heard it, darling, you look perfect tonight. Nandiyan si Ma'am mo, si Ma'am Joanne. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She says my dreams I hope that someday I share her home. I found a love carry more than just a secret. Carry love, carry children of our own. We're still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand. Am I gonna be your man? I see my future in your eyes. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark. You between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. And it's so beautiful, I don't deserve this. Darling, you look perfect. Ah, yeah. Sugar! Shoutout po sa FMW. Mga bagong pasok dyan, happy tasting po guys. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark. You between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. I have paid in what I see. Now I know I have met an angel in person, and she looks perfect. I don't deserve this. You look perfect tonight.
Asking everyone.
Oh, ayan.
Just enjoy watching.
Ang galing ng tandem ko, bro. Ay, admin sweet, BB sweet. Alright.
Ay, boss.
Yan na naman. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Ano pa hindi nakita?
Lilipad na naman tayo dyan.
Ha?
Lagi na, dahil na kangina, tol.
Laro na
Baka pwede
kanina
naman
kami
kay
nga.
Captain Barbell. Captain Barbell naman, tol. Sana.
Ano yun?
Shamrock. Shamrock, tol.
Shamrock. Shamrock tol, coming up.
Captain Barbell naman, siyempre.
Ayun ang order, Captain Barbell, Shamrock, coming up.
Dagdagan mo ng sabaw.
Dagdagan ng sabaw. Regular or spicy, sir? What the fuck? Ay, magaganda pala kanta nito eh. What the fuck? Alipin, paano? Naaalala.
Yan. Ang dadanda nila.
Oh. Ano yan? Bakit ganun? Ano ba yung request mo, sir? Ano yung order mo?
Sana.
Walang sana eh. Wala na sir, naubos na yung stock. What the
Wala
fuck?
na sana.
What the fuck na lang? What the fuck? Yan na po.
May request ng
At sa lang.
Amaze.
Ano?
Amaze. Lone Star.
My God! Ikaw hindi ko alam yun. Nods, pasensya na, hindi ko pa alam. Pinapakanta din yan sa akin ng ano ko ng baby ko. Amaze.
I'm amazed by you.
Ah, yun ba yun?
Yes.
Hindi ko pa rin alam. Baby, I'm amazed by you.
Ah?
What the fuck?
Ah.
Ano pa, Lods? Bukod sa amazed.
Sana. Bukod sa sana.
Request niya ba yun sana?
Oo. Ayaw. Huwag na pilitin. Ano pa yung mga pinipilit?
Gusto kong
Tumutubo.
magdugo. Ikaw ba pag nagdugo, makakalimutan kaya? Di ba ayaw mo nang nakakalimutan lang?
Pag may dugo, kailangan may puto.
Reset. Dapat may pamunas yun yun. What the fuck?
Meron naman tissue.
Sige.
Tissue. With yun na.
Apitasin guys. Salamat po sa pag-isita. Paano mo malalaman itong pag-ibig ko sa'yo? Paano mo mararamdaman ang tibok ng puso ko? Lagi kang kinakabahan na ika'y masasaktan. Pangako ko, ang puso mo'y hindi pakakawala. Paano mo maiintindihan na ako'y nananabik? Kailan ko kaya madarama tamis ng iyong halik? Lagi mong inaatrasan Siguro na nagmamahal, sana na may pagbigyan mo hiling ng puso ko. Subukan mong magmahal, giliw ko, kakaiba, ligayang matatamo. Kung magmahal ng iba'y di ko gagawin, pagkat ikaw lang tanging sasambahin. Wag ka nang mangangamba, pag-ibig ko'y ikaw, wala nang iba. Paano mo malalaman itong pag-ibig ko sa'yo? Paano mo mararamdaman ang tibok ng puso ko? Lagi kang kinakabahan, ika'y masasaktan. Pangako ko, puso mo'y hindi makakawalan. Magmahal lagi. Why like this? Ano to, medley? Pagkakawalan, subukan mo. Wow. Hindi ko kabisado eh. What the fuck? Susunod ko, pasensya na po sa inyong lingkod. Ito kasi si si Shamrock Boy eh. Sa kanya itong mga kanta na to. Di ko man maamin, ikaw ay mahalaga sa akin.
Yun!
Di ko man maisip, tulog ika'y panaginip. Malabo man ang aking pag-iisip, kana'y pakinggan mo ang tibok nitong damdamin. Tibok ng damdamin. Kuyalipin mo kahit hindi batiin. Aaminin ko minsan ako'y manhid. Sana iyong maririnig. Sa iyong yakap ako'y nasasabi. Sige, bebe. Ingat kayo. Kain ka lang ng ayos, ha? Kain ni Chabi. Dapat merong duo eh, no? Mike, duo eh, no? Mike. Ayoko sa iba. Ayoko hindi magsasawa. Anong iyong sabihin? Hi, Francis! Asa ka ito diringgin? Madalas man na parang aso at pusa, piling mo ako ay masaya. Ako'y alipin mo kahit hindi batid. Aminin ko minsan ako'y manhid. Sana iyong maririnig. Sa iyong yakap ako'y nasasabi. Kayo Sensya na, Brad. Kung nasira ko yung kanta mo.
Okay lang, okay lang.
Hindi, kami maya-maya.
Sabi, sige, mag-ingatan kayo ng Panginoon. Right? Nasa inyo.
Ano lang ako sa bahay, kasi minsan mawala
Apo,
yung
bless you.
signal ko pa.
God bless you po.
Sabi yun.
Pilit ma. Mas love ko kayo, siyempre. Yung mga tala. Basta't sa akin wag kang mawawala. Ako'y alipin mo kahit hindi batid. Aaminin ko minsan ako'y manhid. Ana at iyong naririnig. Sa iyong yakap ako'y nasasabi. Pagkat lamang nais makatabi. Sige be. Malamig man o mainit ang gabi, nais ko sanang iparating na ikaw lamang ang siyang akin. Ay Frances, iibigin. Bless you. God bless, Frances. Pitasin po sa mga bagong pasok dyan. Alright.
Sa mga bagong pasok, kayo kung alala, maya-maya lang, kayo maliguan.
Alright, salamat po, kapatid na Chris. Sarap na may minamahal, ang daigdig ay may kulay at buhay. At kahit na may pagkukulang ka, isang halik mo lang, limot ko na.
Di ba umiyak doon sa labas? Siya yun? Akala ko bata.
Nang may minamahal. Charm, salamat po. Saan mong pag-ibig ko'y tunay. Ang nais ko'y laging kapiling ka. Alam mo bang tanging ligaya ka?
Bata ba yung umiyak doon sa labas?
Sa tuwin ay naaalala ka, sa pangarap laging kasama ka. Ikaw ang alaala sa aking pag-iisa. Wala nang ibigin pang iba. Patas ng ako may minamahal. Saan mo, pitas ka lang dyan, patid. Ang ibig ko'y tunay. Ang nais ko'y laging kapiling ka. Alam mo bang tanging ligaya ka? Pitas-pitas lang kayo dyan, Lodi, no problem, right? Sa tuwin ay naaalala ka, sa pangarap laging kasama ka. Ikaw ang alaala sa aking pag-iisa. Wala nang iibigin pang iba. Sorry guys.
Salamat sa 3,500 viewers. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagdalo.
Alaala sa aking pag-iisa. Wala nang ibigin pang iba. Sa tuwin ay naaalala ka, sa pangarap laging kasama ka. Ikaw ang alaala sa aking pag-iisa. Wala nang ibigin pang iba. Wala nang ibigin pang iba. What the fuck? What the fuck? gusto mo na mag-ano? Wala na si Ma'am. Oy. Okay, guys.
Uyayaan.
Last song. Magla-last song na po tayo, guys. Balik na
Alright,
po tayo sa
last song na po
group.
kami.
Alright. At for our last song, Bebe, love you.
Ah,
Last song na po kami.
Last song na kami, guys. Pasensya na po. Alright. Happy tasking po. Habol po ang habol. Alright. What the fuck?
Hanggang 2 minuto lang po ah.
What the fuck? Wala. 4.
Hindi ako nagbabasa ng message.
Bakit?
Meron yata panawagan.
Panawagan po. Wala muna kayo ni Creed. Oh, paano ba yan? Ha?
Sabi?
Pinayagan ako, Brad. What the fuck?
Sabi?
Oh.
Okay lang daw, okay lang.
What the fuck? And happy tasking SKB. Alright, Sadiq. How are you? Kafalik ya, Bibi. Assalamualaikum ya, Bibi.
Happy tasking and enjoy
Right.
watching. Wala tayong scene.
This is probably our last song for today. Alright, guys. Why is it not playing? Ayaw niya. Na. Now these ones dedicated to all the used ones say nothing to all them girls. Feel like diamonds and pearls. Dedicated to all the girls around the world. Now this is Raymond Shaggy with a combination you can't miss. Flip this one. Fun. The music of this. Yeah. Alright. Girl, you're my angel. You're my darling angel. Don't sit in my pits, you are to me, baby. Girl, you're my angel. You're my darling angel. Girl, you're my friend and I'm in need, lady. Life is one big party when stay young. Who's gonna have your back when it's all done? So good when you lit the FU fun. Can't be a fool, son. What about a long run? Looking back, shorty always a mention. Some not giving her much attention. She was there through my incarceration. I wanna show the nation my appreciation. Girl, you're mine, girl. You're my darling angel. Closer than my peace, you are to me, baby. Shorty, I'm mine, girl. You're my darling angel. Yeah, you're my friend and I'm in need, lady. You're a queen and so you should be treated. Though you never get the loving that you needed. Could have left, but I call you a heated. Begging and pleaded, mission completed. Mama said that our night is the program. Not the type to mess around with your emotion. But the feeling that I have for you is so strong. Been together so long, we can never be wrong. Girl, you're my angel. You're my darling angel. Don't sit in my peace, you are to me, baby. Girl, you're my angel. You're my darling angel. Girl, you're my friend and I'm in need, lady. Girls, part of my behavior, you are my savior. You must be sent from up above. And you are free to me so tender, but girl, I surrender. Thanks for giving me your love. Girls, part of my behavior, you are my savior. You must be sent from up above. And you are free to me so tender, but girl, I surrender. Thanks for giving me your love. Our life is one big party, wanna stay young. Who's gonna have your back when it's all done? So good when you lift it up, you fun. Can't be a fool, son. What about a long run? Looking back, shorty always a mention. Some may not giving her much attention. You were there to my incarceration. I wanna show the nation my appreciation. Yeah, my angel, you're my darling angel. Don't sit in my picture watching me, baby. Girl, you're my angel, you're my darling angel. Girl, you're my friend when I'm in need, lady. Girl, you're my angel, you're my darling angel. Don't sit in my picture water me, baby. Girl, you're my angel, you're my darling angel. Girl, you're my friend when I'm in need. Tasking lang, please. Girl, you're my angel, you're my darling angel. Shibby-dooby-dooby-doo, boy. Right.
Alright.
Happy tasing po. Habang nagtatasing po, maglalasong po tayo, mga guys.
Alright.
Right. Why like this? Hindi na. Ayaw. What the fuck? Yeah. The last song po tayo sa Maneskin. Alright. What the fuck?
Last song na po ito mga kaibigan 10 na lang.
At ganon, no? No, duga.
Naglalag ka?
Hindi ko ma-play yung song. What the fuck?
Wala daw hulog. Hulugan mong piso.
Putik na yan. Alright, ito na po kaibigan. In 4, 3, 2. Happy tasing guys! Everyone, salamat po sa inyong support. Put your loving hand out, baby, 'cause I'm begging. Alright. Salamat po. Salamat po. Begging you. Put your loving hand out, baby. Begging you. Put your loving hand out, darling. Riding high when I was king. Played it hard and fast 'cause I had everything. I walk away, you want me then. But easy come and easy go, and it wouldn't. So enter my beat, you let me go, yeah. Enter my feet, you get me, no. Enter my sea, let me know. But the plan is see, just let me go. I'm on my knees while I'm begging, so I don't wanna lose you. Hey, yeah, ra-ta-ta-ta. I'm begging you. Put your loving hand down, baby. Begging you. I need you to understand. Try so hard to be your man, the kind of man you want at the end. Only then can I begin to live again. An empty shell I used to be, shadow of my life was hanging over me. Broken man that I didn't know, won't even stand the evidence to win my soul. What we doing, what we chasing, what the bottom, what the basement, what we got the shit on the basic, what the people that need to replace me. The wrong way tracked and the good. What a bit of feature tell me we could react like a heart in the best way it should. Give it the way you had and took the bait, but I keep walking on, keep open doors, keep hoping for that the call is short. Keep also hope I don't wanna live in a broken home, girl. I'm begging, oh yeah, I'm begging you. Put your loving hand out, baby. Begging you. Put your loving hand out, darling. Fighting hard to hold my own, just to make it all alone. But I can't go back. I'm just a come about to fade to black. I'm begging, begging you. So put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging, begging you. So put your loving hands out, darling. So put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging, begging you. So put your loving hand out, darling. I'm begging, begging you. So put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging, begging you. So put your loving hand out. 'Cause I'm begging. Ay, salamat ng madami. Tapos po, salamat. Ikaw kaya dito.
Nasong.
Ano? Subukan
Nasong,
ko yung
nasong.
dates, no? Hindi ba din? Wasapak. Marunong ka na rin gumanyan, ha?
Nakawa na ako sa'yo, bro. Begging you. Begging ulit. Nasa ulit.
Reggae. Try natin yung pang ano. Ha? Ang pinapractice ko pa lang. I love you, don't me, and you better felt it. Tried to be chill, but tried to be melted. Felt it right through the cracks. For them to run down, they're giving me my bestest, and nothing gonna stop me but time intervention. Reckoning that my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Bra-bra. Yeah. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your pants and then you're free. Look into the heart and you'll find love, love, love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We just one big family, and it's our God-forsaken right to be loved, love, 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 love. Oh, I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. The time is short. This is our fate. I'm sure. Salamat, I need a GBA fan, right? Doon na tayo. Uy, tatasking na yata sila. Uy, hindi mo sinisilip. Sila Ayan, salamat po ng marami guys. Ayun lang po. I've been spending way too long keeping my tongue in the mirror, bending over backward just to try to see it clearer. My breath I got the glass, so drew up in a laugh. Pakikitasking lang to. Ginulat mo naman kami, Lord. Hala.
Paalam tayo. Paalam lang. Paalam.
Salamat po na marami guys at happy tasking po sa lahat. Sa lahat ng mga supporters po. Salamat po sa mga nag-keep.
Hindi, gala na kayo. Kaya pag uwi ko, dito ka na naman sa akin.
Support ng aking buddy, Creed. Alright!
Long live.
Alright, long live. Alright, long live Acro. Yeah, alright. At para po sa lahat na nagtatasking guys. Salamat po ng madami sa inyo. Nakita po tayo ulit po us. God bless and be blessed still, right? And this live broadcasting is ending in 4, 3, 2, 1.